Hi, I'm Michael Tennant, and I'm the founder and CEO of Curiosity Lab.
Actually Curious is the only card game that uses the science and psychology of emotional connection to help people build trust and to teach the tools of empathy. In 2018, we created Actually Curious to help fight divisiveness in our country by helping to soften defensiveness and to become more comfortable recognizing our biases. We created the only game that uses the science and psychology of emotional connection to help people build trust and learn tools of empathy. We have 3 editions: the Curiosity Edition, the original game, the Happy Hour Edition, our latest game, the Culture Edition, and we have a few more on the way. Together, these cards make up a suite of questions that helps us to build connections no matter our background, political affiliation, or conscious and unconscious biases. The original Curiosity Edition has 4 levels: blue to green to yellow to pink. Each level represents a new level of intimacy. These questions explore our values, our backgrounds, and our views on important issues such as diversity, inclusion, sustainability, and mental health. Our second deck of questions, the Happy Hour Edition, has lighter questions and are made as a thoughtful icebreaker and warm-up to the original game. The Happy Hour Edition is perfect for Zoom meetings with friends, family, and colleagues, but it's also a great companion for your self-love and journaling rituals. Our most recent game, the Culture Edition, will probably be our lightest game ever. The Culture Edition is an important addition to the movement to spread empathy and has fun, funny, nostalgic, and even silly questions curated with a community of 50 cultured thought leaders to spark meaningful and trust-building conversations no matter how far the divide. Today in 2021, spreading the tools of empathy and training leaders in creating and protecting safe spaces is of paramount importance as we all face polarization, COVID-19, racial, gender, ability injustices, and a rising mental health problem together. This year, for Memorial Day 2021, the ceremonial anniversary of the death of George Floyd, we'll release our most important deck yet, the Human Rights Edition. Actually Curious allows you to meet people where they're at and level up together. You get to share your story, hear others, and actually get curious about one another. Actually Curious has been featured by the New York Times, on Beyonce's Black Parade list, on the NBC Today show, and across wellness, lifestyle, and pop culture media as a tool to bridge gaps during these divided times. The game has sparked a movement for empathy and has inspired an ecosystem of experiences, products, and content that help you to connect to yourself and the world around you. In addition to curating decks of important questions in 2021, we introduced Empathy Workouts, a Sunday workshop series that leverages the card game to teach specific empathy skills. Empathy Workouts combines talks, performances, and exercises with a mini Actually Curious workshop to bring strangers together and help them strengthen their empathy muscles. We're just beginning, and with the contentious start to the year and social distancing remaining a part of our present and future, we'll need all the empathetic leaders we can gather. Now it's your turn to play Actually Curious. Already a member of the Actually Curious community? Head over to WeClaim1%.com to learn about what you can do to be a part of the 1% spreading empathy and advocating for human rights in 2021 and beyond.